Years ago, many of the mountains were arable. The valleys that were full of rich soils are now marshes. Hills that were once covered with forests and produced abundant pasture now produce only food for bees. Once the land was enriched by annual rains, which were not lost as they are now, by flowing from the bare land into the sea. Once the soil was deep, it absorbed and kept this water, and this water soaked into the hills and fed the springs and running streams everywhere. Now, abandoned shrines at these dried up springs attest that our description of the land is true. This was a quote from Plato. He wrote this about his beloved Greece in the year 400 BC. Today, more than 2,000 years later, we still do not understand this. With modern agriculture, the land is being degraded faster than ever. We are devastating our ecosystems. But we can change this. We need to break the paradigm. We need to change how we think. Modern agriculture grows plants from the soil. This is a degenerative system that is continuously losing carbon into the atmosphere. At CS Ranches, we think differently. We grow soil from the plants. This is a regenerative process that uses plants to take carbon from the air and we store it in the ground, where it belongs. Once again, we need our soils to be deep and rich so they can hold onto the water and feed the springs and the rivers. This also builds back the biology and heals ecosystems. This is a regenerative system, and it is our only way forward. Join us. Let's grow soil together and give credit where credits are due.